Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on TNT Rain. Last time we did it, he won just barely. I can't believe he won. It was so dang close, you should really check that video out. But today we're playing TNT Rain. Still, find cover, stay in map, mass survival wins. And join call 46, me, and shoot him up 0021. Yay! So let's get this video started. You will not be able to hear him talking, so I try not to respond like he's actually talking where you can hear. I'll try not to respond, okay everyone? But I hope you guys enjoy. So give me 1 second. I'm back. Hello. Move! Dude, move! Move, dude, move! 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 Okay guys, that is not going to count for him, guys, okay? That would not count for him. That would not count for him, guys. That would not count. It's not his fault I pressed the button without him knowing. So come on, shoot him up. You better hurry and move. He gets only 1 second left just because of that mistake for him not knowing. Let's put on swiftness so he can run like a boss. If you guys check out my first video, you'll know. Technically, it already has. Technically, TNT has already fell on his head. Just kidding. It would be epic if it did. Hurry up and get moving, guys. You're gonna literally die if you're not careful. I'm gonna have to teleport him further away again. I teleported him again, and oh dear, you're gonna respawn. That's for sure. 300 years later, what do you see? A Enderman with his head on backwards. On my screen, your head's on backwards. I'm moving side and side around him. Wee, 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 wee. Shoot him up, shoot him up. You've already been teleported to me. It's just on your screen, it's not taking notice. Oh dear, his head's on backwards even more. Exorcist much? On my screen, his head's on backwards for some stupid reason. On backwards. I'm just gonna huddle in the corner. On my screen, shoot him up, it's on backwards. He's not moving, even though he should be. He's saying he's moving. He is not moving on my screen. I don't know why. He just said he's moving around the slime block house on his screen. My screen, he's just standing still, head on backwards like he's been decapitated, and some noob tried to put it back on, but failed. Maybe I should stop relying on looking at his head for this entire video. Da 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 da, TNT's coming, da 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 da, TNT's coming, da da da, we're gonna die, yay! I never would do this. I'd only do this so he doesn't. I'm only doing this so he doesn't have. Oh God! Oh God! Oh my God! That can't be good. That can't be good. That can't be good. You blew up. That can't be good. That can't be good. People, I might survive till the end. Oh! Bye everyone, I hope you have fun.